Hey, how's it going? It's Rocky. I wanted to give an update on how I'm doing on the Apex EVAL that I started this week. It's a little later in the day since I was out most of the day today and actually did not actively trade during the US market. So just want to do a quick recap on exactly what Apex is. And just as FYI, I am not an affiliate. I'm not trying to give you a code to sign up or whatnot. I personally want to give this a chance from A to Z, right? I want to do the eval, and then once I pass that, I want to be able to do the PA, which is the performance account. And then if I'm successful with that, and I am able to do an actual withdrawal, and that withdrawal then gets to my bank account, that's when I'll consider doing a affiliate for it, and to see if essentially I just want to be able to make sure everything is okay before I'd recommend it to anyone on my YouTube channel. So this is Apex Wonder Trading. This is the website here. If you wanted to know exactly how it works, they have a really good FAQ program, but what I just wanted to do a quick recap on. So there's two choices. You could trade via Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. The one that I decided to go with is Tradeovate and NinjaTrader. And there's a lot of choices on the accounts that you can choose. Most of them are the full account. The full account, essentially, what that means is these full accounts here, as you can see. Actually, pardon me, I guess my filters are still on. Give me a second while I take those off. And all right, getting better at this live thing. Okay, so. And let me just change the color on the drawing I just did there. Let's do pink. So the different accounts you can see here is just full accounts. Most of them are full accounts. The only difference is basically the last one here is a static account. And the main difference between a full account and a static account is really the trailing threshold. So with the full account, you can see based on the value for this $300,000 account, the trailing threshold is 7,500. So what that means is it will always trail what the highest your account has. So it's not what realizes the highest point of the unrealized of that portfolio. It'll always trail it $7,500. And if you fall below that, you obviously fail the evaluation. So that's what the full account is. And then the other one is the static, where there is no trailing threshold. There's none. And the reason, not the reason, the difference with this one is it has a fixed drawdown of $625. So that means is, for example, with this $100,000 account, you subtract 625, that's 275. So that means that your account can't fall below that. However, it's not gonna follow you. And what I ended up doing actually is I signed up for both a static account. So I signed up for this 100K static account. And something to note here is you can only trade up to 2 E-minis with this one. So really it's almost misleading because you don't really have 100,000. In reality, with example for the YM, 1 E-mini is 8,800 margin. So that's more or less 18,000. But that's beyond the point. Basically I picked that one, and the other one that I did pick was the 50K account, so the 50K full account. So this 50K full account, the difference with this one is profit goal 3,000 and a trading threshold of 2,500. So I just wanted to do a quick summary on that because I wanted to, I'm pretty happy to say that I was able to meet the profit goal of $3,000 after 3 days. So on 3 days. So I have a full month to do it, and I'm happy to say that I hit it on the 3rd day, where on this 50K full account, I hit the profit goal of $3,000, and I'll show that on the next page. So 1 out of the 2 has been met. The second one is just 100K static. So with the 100K static, I have a profit goal. Apologies for that. I have a profit goal here of $2,000. So I have not yet met this goal, and we'll go through exactly how we're doing on that one. So let's see. So this is That's why let me just go through the filters really quickly. Still getting better at doing all of this. Apologies. All right. So my membership information. I wanted to make sure all the personal information is hidden on this account because it's quite important. Let's see. So basically, let's go to this one right here. Oops. Give me a second. That's fine. So basically, it's my account. You can see my name, Rocky Mark, up there. And then on the time-based chart, basically, you can see that the account that I have here is the 50K full and the 100K static. And then next, we're going to go through the actual account summary of what's going on. And on this account summary, you'll be able to see my progress there. And I'm just going to zoom in to how we're actually doing on it. So you can see here, I have the 100K Trade-O-Vate and the 50K Trade-O-Vate account. The P&L on the 100K is 1,560, and for this one the target is 2,000. Let's see. Ooh, give me a second. Play around with some of these. I'm failing right now. My apologies. It's okay. I will do better at this in the future. I guess I just wanted to show that, you know, again, our target is 102,000 on the 100K account, so I'm short about $440 on it. Happy to say that on this one, we did hit the goal of 53,000. So now we just really need to trade for 7 straight days. I know it's frowned upon if you just trade 1 micro and not just to hit the 7 days, but from what I read on the Apex FAQ, that's more or less acceptable during the EVAL account. However, once you have an actual PA or the performance account, it's frowned upon for you to just trade, and then for the rest of, you know, the 10 required days of trading before payout, or you just buy 1 micro, sell 1 micro, buy 1 micro, sell 1 micro, because this whole thing is, the main goal is for it to be a synergy between you and Apex Trader Funding. Basically, they're giving you the capital so you can make money, but at the same time, it is a business for them. They also need to make money, and they're able to essentially copy your trades via an API, or if they're really doing well, you as a trader is doing well, and Apex sees this, they might actually, you know, copy 100% of your trade. So even though there's a 90-10 split after the first 25,000, they could still make money if they see that you are someone that they could really bet on, right? And eventually, from a PA account, you can have an actual prop account, and they'll reach out to you directly if there really is a good relationship and they see that you'd be a good trader for them. So right now, we just have this 2 account. Just wanted to give an update that I'm happy to say that, as I mentioned, we were able to reach the target here. You know, the target of 53,000, we were at 53,454. And then for today, or in the next few days, I'm going to focus on hitting 102,000 because we are short about a couple $100 on there. So, yep, just wanted to give everyone an update. Sorry for the technical difficulties there. I'm still doing my best with the whole live and filtering the personal accounts that we don't really want to be shown on the net. All right, thanks for giving me a chance here and sticking around. And if you're doing the eval, good luck. Have you any questions, let me know, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one with a better update. All right, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you.